See him climb up? Noses are angled down on the front one. That second set of sounds is the impacts that you're hearing. The zipper sound is the gun going off after the tracer. Now I miss it. No, that's where we. That's the police station.
I got it. Oh, yes!
Holy shit!
I got that on my camera too!
Fucking sweet! He's fucking shooting a rocket!
Fuck yeah, he was! I got it on my camera!
Fucking awesome! Playing it back?
Yeah, I'm about.
Hey, wait! You getting it?
Yeah.
You know where to aim at?
I see the blinking.
Yeah. Oh!
Oh shit!
Oh! Holy shit! Did you get?
Hell yeah!
Holy shit!
Woo! That's what the fuck I'm talking about, baby! Got that shit!
Firefight. They're just shooting, man. Oh my god, did you feel the aftershake?
Woo!
You got it all?
I got it all.
Oh man, my camera!
Still taking that shit.
Holy shit!
I was dead on that shit too.
Damn it, man! That is fucking ridiculous.
Holy shit, yeah.
Oh my
God damn.
God.
286 still shooting.
That is fucking ridiculous. You playing it back?
Yeah, I'm about.